easy, okay? It's only for the TikTok chant. What up, y'all? It's CeneciaNyree and
Tierras.
Baby T. Alright guys, so today we are super chilling. We're just hanging out. We're gonna do the easiest TikToks for you guys, and we're also learning them ourselves, so don't try to get on us in the comments, okay? We don't know them that well. I'm just learning, and I don't, like, when it comes to this stuff, you know, whatever. But yeah, so we're just learning. And we are drinking a little bit, hanging out, whatever. It's quarantine life. So, yeah. So, here's the first one. Let's get it.
Baby, come give me something. Oh. Baby, come give me something. Oh. 'Cause I can't stop loving you. Baby, come give me something.
That was cute though. You just look so happy.
That was super cute. That was super cute. We're doing it on the phone also. So.
Okay, and we're gonna do another one, right?
Yep. But we'll be right back. We gotta learn it. Alright guys, so number 2.
Outwest, slang it Outwest. Go metallic night, I can shake it Outwest, slang it Outwest. Go metallic night, I can shake it.
Oh, we're cute.
Show the camera.
Outwest, slang it Outwest. Go metallic night, I can shake it Outwest.
Okay.
Okay, we'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is dance number 3. And we are going already crazy, okay? This TikTok stuff is not easy, okay? It's only for the TikTok chant, okay? But I'm gonna try to do this one for you guys. I'm not a pro, we're not a pro, but we're still gonna get ratchet for you guys. Alright, here we go, you guys. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
We have to play the end off because we really did not finish.
Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Oh.
Nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Memes for you guys.
I'm about to look retarded.
Alright, you guys, so it's the Smees, the first time ever really doing it.
First time
ever. So here we go. We're gonna go this way first.
She gon' go.
I can't, guys. I can't. I look retarded.
I'm dead. Alright guys, so we got one more for you guys, and then we're gonna call it quits. We are hot.
Yep. Green bean. Lean, green bean, cannon bean, piccolo. Get the sauce strong.
We tried, guys.
We tried. Alright, thanks for watching CeneciaNyree and Baby T. We is out there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and turn those post notifications on so you can see the next time I post. Bye.